Today we have a 2011 Toyota Sienna in the shop with a JBL Denso navigation unit here, and we're going to show you how to take this out of the dash. The problem we're having is the display comes up, blinks on, then off, then back on, and with a flashlight you can see features in the display, but you're not able to see the display itself. So we're going to get this out of the vehicle and up to the shop. We're going to start with our pry bar and open the bottom pocket, and with pull pressure and a little bit of pry pressure along the edges, you can remove clips. These clips release with pry pressure, and we're going to work all the way across the side of the dash, removing this small panel. It will pull forward. We have a small control panel here that has a connector on the back of it. We're going to release the trigger on the connector, remove that connector. All the connectors here are keyed, so they only go back to one spot. The trigger on this is on the back. You push that down with your thumb nail, it releases the lock, and you're able to remove the connector. Next, we're going to unscrew the Gearshift knob and remove that, and remove the panel around the Gearshift. We're also going to pry this loose and pull this back, and this will release clips. Again, these clips will release with pry pressure. We're going to move it up over the Gearshift. This one also has a connector at it. We're going to push the trigger down on it and release that, and set this panel to the side. Next, we're going to move on to the AC controls, and with our pry bar and pulling pressure, we're going to release the clips that secure this to the dash and pull this back. There's also a connector on this module as well. Again, these connectors are all keyed, so they only go back to one spot. You won't have to mark them to figure out where they go. We're going to set that to the side, and now there are 4 10mm bolts that secure the stereo in the dash. One located right here, the second back up in the dash on the right, the third on the front here, and the fourth further back in there as well. With this 4 screws removed, we're going to open the edge of the glove box, pry the edge of the front panel from the dash. This releases all the way across, and this is going to allow you to pull the car stereo from the dash. There are quite a few connectors here on the back of the dash, several antennas, main stereo antennas. We have navigation antennas, main connectors all across the back. These all have triggers on them. You squeeze the trigger down on them and release them, and they remove. You will have to remove all these and then remove the stereo from this front panel. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our website for any updates and other information we have on this vehicle. Thank you for watching.